Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a nice little stretching routine that's going to help you with your flexibility if you're at a beginner level. So grab a mat and let's go. So we're just going to start off with warming up our body a little bit. So we're going to stretch our neck to the side. Really doesn't matter how you're sitting, but I'm sitting in an easy pose right now with my legs crossed. And we're going to go to the other side. And the other side, just warming up our shoulder and our neck area. And the other side. And let's go down diagonally. And other side. Good. And let's just do half circles down. Let's go up. And we're going to roll our shoulders back. Good. And roll them forward. And we're going to stretch our arms. So going under and just stretching it to the side. And let's take a nice stretch to the side. And other side. And let's take that long stretch to the side the other way. Good, come up. And let's repeat that one more time. Really making sure that your arm is stretched here. You're really trying to pull it. And to the side. Making sure we're doing a nice line to the side, not slouching or arching anywhere. Other side. Good, and to the side. Doesn't matter where your head is, it can be down, it can be to the side. And let's come up, and we'll go down in this easy pose, just releasing tension in our hips and just stretching them out. And we're gonna go slightly to the side, so to your knee, still staying down. Just hold here. And let's take it onto the other side. Good, come to center. And let's come slowly up. And we're gonna switch our feet. And we're gonna repeat it all again. So to the center first. Good, and hold it to the side. And to the other side. And release and come back to center. And let's come up. And we're just gonna put our feet together and come for a butterfly position. And we're just gonna go down, trying to meet our head with our feet. If you can't go all the way down, that's totally fine. We all have to start somewhere. Trying to open up our hips as much as we can here. Good, come up. We're gonna stretch one leg, keeping our foot on our inner thigh, opening it up, and we're gonna take a nice long stretch to the side. It's not important to touch your foot here. What's important is to make a nice, exact, straight line to the side. So no slouching, no arching. And now we're gonna come forward, so head to shin. Really trying to stretch the leg here. Good, slowly up. And let's bring that knee up, and we're gonna do a little twist here. So really making sure that our back is in a straight line. Good, this is gonna help with your back flexibility, but it also massages your organs and your digestive system. So it's a very perfect move here. Good, Good, we're gonna stretch both legs. And we're just gonna slowly try to get down. So we're gonna start with pulses first. Just kind of warm up those hamstrings. And we're gonna try and hold halfway and slowly make it down all the way. Of course, if you're not there yet, it's totally fine. Just keep trying as much as you can and keep trying to pull down. If you need to take a break at any point, please do so. Do not stretch past your limits. You might hurt yourself, and we don't want that. So back to butterfly position. And we're gonna go down. So you can really feel this stretch in your hips. This is also really great if you want to work on your flexibility to get splits. Good, come up. And we're going to repeat this hamstring stretch and twist on the other side. So first stretch to the side, creating a nice line. Good, and we're gonna come forward, so head to shin. And if you want, you can flex your foot here. This is gonna increase the stretch even more in your hamstring and make it a little bit more intense. Good, come up. And let's bring that knee up and let's do a twist. So again, straight back here. Nice deep breaths. And let's release slowly, stretching both legs now. Just getting into position, and let's pulse again. Trying to go down even more with each pulse and exhalation. Good, hold halfway for a bit, and let's go all the way down. Hold here. And once again, you can flex your feet to increase the stretch even more. And let's come up slowly. And we're gonna come for a straddle position, but with our knees bent. And they're up in the air, and we're just gonna slowly go down. And just hold here for a bit. Really feeling your hips open here. Good. And we're gonna slowly come up. We're gonna stretch our legs. We're not opening all the way, doing a comfortable position, and we're just gonna go to the side, forward with our body, head on our shin. So once again, this is not an extreme straddle. We're just opening to a point where it's comfortable. And let's go on the other side. Good, come up. And let's come forward. Trying to get our head all the way down to the ground, but if you can't, that's totally fine. And if you have problems trying to get yourself to go down, try to pull on something. Try to get a friend to push you down, whatever you can do. Good, and we're gonna come up, and we're gonna go down. So onto our back. So we're just gonna bend our knees, hip width. And we're just gonna lift up our hips, coming to a bridge position. Really trying to increase the flexibility in our back here. This is also a really good position to release the lower back if you've been doing some crazy back stretches. So let's release, bring your knees to your chest and just rock side to side. Good, release. And let's come back. So lift your hips up, making sure that our feet are straight so they're not open and they're not turned in. Good, release. Knees together, knees to chest. And we're gonna grab one knee and we're just gonna hold it, trying to bring it as close to our chest as we can. Stretching the other leg. And we're gonna make small circles with our ankle. Good, and we're just gonna flex and point with our ankle. And we're just gonna take that knee and open it to the side. Just hold it here. Hand is on the knee and it's holding it down. And let's just hold here for a bit. And let's take that knee and bring it over into a twist. Head is going in the opposite direction. And what's important here is to keep your shoulders on the ground instead of concentrating on your knee and how far it is down. Good, and let's release. Take that knee and let's stretch the leg. So it really doesn't matter how far you are here or where you're grabbing. You can grab under your thigh, under your knee, under your calf, or at your foot, depending how flexible you are. But we're stretching both of our legs here and we're trying to pull as far as we can. Good, keep holding. This is really great for your hamstring. This also helps with your splits. So let's release down slowly and let's take the other knee. So first just bring it as high as we can to our chest and rolling out our ankle. And let's flex and point here. Good. And we're gonna open up that knee and just hold here, pushing down on the knee with our hand. Good, and let's take that knee and we're gonna come for the twist. Head is in the opposite direction, shoulders are on the ground. And just breathe deeply here. Trying to feel that twist and the flexibility increasing in your back. And let's release. And let's stretch that leg. Pulling it as far as we can here. So really making sure that both of our legs are stretched here, even the one that you are holding, which can be very easy to bend, but keep stretching it. I know it's hard. Good, and release. And let's just bring our feet together and opening up here, opening our knees and our hips, and just relax here. We're almost finished. If you want to increase the stretch, you can push down on your knees or your thighs, trying to get those knees closer to the ground. Let's close those knees, come for a last squeeze, and let's roll up. And we are finished for today. So I hope you guys liked that video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. So, bye!